This is Nigam Trivedi from C. Trivedi and Company, Ahmedabad. We are manufacturing of a rotograver printing machine, lamination machine, slitting machines, all flexible packaging machinery. This we display our single color rotograver in ELS, and we are in this field since last 25 years, and we are producing one of the very good quality machines, and we are our big market in woven sack industry in India. We are selling more than 350 machines across the all over the India. We are exporting also our so many products because of our brand name. We are very old company. We are since 45 years old company, and we believe in such a good quality product, and we supply the best, and people are recognizing us from the very reliable manufacturer of India. Mainly our in Andhra, Telangana, our we have a very good market. So we come here to our latest technology and see the machine and meet our all clients.